with the new questions from LeetCode. Here we are provided with the input column, that is cinema, and with the column ID, movie description and rating. And according to the question, we need to write the solutions to report the movie with an odd number ID. Means we just need what? Odd number ID. Odd number ID and the description, and the description of movie should the description that is not boring, and description of a movie should be what? Not boring. All right, description of a movie should be not boring. Let's see, this is the boring, should be not boring. All right, description of a movie should be not boring, not boring. Okay. So and we also need to sort our result in descending by rating. We just need to sort by what? By rating in descending order. All right, so let's write the solution. We just need ID, movie, description and rating. All right, so I can just simply select ID, movie, description and rating. All right, rating from, what's our column name? Our column name is cinema. All right, from cinema, where ID should be odd. All right, ID is divisible by 2, is not equal to 0. All right, and description that is not boring. Description should be not boring. All right, and description is not is equal to what? Boring, not equal to boring. And finally we will order by what? Rating in descending order. All right, now let's run the query. Yeah, all right, I hope you all understand the question and the logic behind this code. Thank you so much.